Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I am Kaji Faizam Dollar from Designer Dollar. Today I am going to teach you that how to vectorize this icon. This is icon of WhatsApp. So today you will learn that how can you create an object, or how can you create or how can you vectorize an object like this technique. So, without any further ado, let's get it started. First and foremost, you have to open the file into the Adobe Illustrator CC, or whatever you are using. So I am using the latest version of Adobe Illustrator CC 2020. This is the system info, and this is the version 25.0 64-bit. Okay, fine. So let's see how it works. First you have to select the icon or the object, then click on the image trace option. If you don't able to see the option called image trace, then probably you should go to the window menu, then search the option called image trace. So this is the option, image trace. Okay, fine. So if you click on the image trace option, then this pop-up window will show up on in your screen. Then click on the preset option, then click on the high fidelity photo. Okay, fine. Then you can you have to wait some time. That's great. And if you want to ignore the white portion, you can uncheck this option, but now it is disabled to use this option. Then click on the expand. Okay, nice. And now here is the tricks. I don't say that this is very easy to use. You have to compromise with the times to remove these portions, but it is quite easy to use. Okay, fine. Then click on this object, then right click and group. Okay, fine. Now you have to separate these things, these whole things from these things, but it is not very easy to you separate, because this is actually now this is converted into a vector. So if you want to remove these things, if I want to change the direction, let's see. Okay, okay. Now you can see you have to manually select and say the choppies. Okay, but it is very difficult. So that I am going to teach you, or I am going to show you the best techniques to remove these portions. First you have to zoom out this screen. Okay, now click on the white portion, then bring it here, and now you have to delete these things. Select this, then delete. Select this, then delete. Select this, then delete. Select this, then delete. Okay, fine. And these are the some portions to be removed. Okay, this is not a simple thing to do, quite hard, but if you I think the after seeing this tutorial, you are able to make it very quickly. Okay, fine. Now these things are already removed, the extra portion, but here you have to realize that this is not completely a object. This is still now it is a vector. Obviously we want the vector item from it, but this is not in a group, so you have to select the all things. Then if you want to group it, then go to the object, then click on the group, or you can select the whole object, then press the keyboard option Ctrl+G. Now it is a group. You can see, search for the extra portions by extra elements, but here I can see that there is nothing to remove. Okay, fine. Now this is an object. Now if I create a background behind this object or behind the vector, you can see some the things. Okay, fine. Now here the color, Control Shift the third bracket close, or you can right click, select the object, then right click, then arrange, send to back, whatever you would you will like to do. It's totally up to you. Now if I lock it, go to the select the background image or background shape, then go to the object, then lock the selection, Ctrl 2, the shortcut key. Okay, fine. Now it is locked. Then you can use this shape as a WhatsApp background white portion, but I won't recommend you to do it like this. Delete this portion, then select all the group item, then go to the object, then expand. Now okay, fine. And also you can go to the Pathfinder, then get the alter button from the keyboard and click on the unite. Okay, fine. Now this is a complete group. Okay, fine. And now click on this, select from the Ctrl C, I mean the copy, and also press the Ctrl B to paste into the back. And if I resize this image, you are going, nothing is happening there, but here is the tricks. Go select the outer layer, then go to the fill and select the white color fill. Now you can see. Okay, unlock it, make it darker, or okay, I can select this option. Okay, fine. Lock it again. Now you can see that this is the perfect shape to use. If you downloaded a icon from any other site that doesn't allow the PNG, you can use this JPEG or JPEG image to vectorize, and then after vectorizing this image, you can completely able to use it as a vector. And this is the tricks. I hope you enjoyed these tricks a lot and learned something new from already. Then definitely consider subscribing my channel. My channel's name is Designer Dollar, and you can follow me on the Instagram and my other social networks like Skype, Tumblr, Twitter, and the LinkedIn. I'm very regular on my social networks. You can follow me and learn more techniques like this. No more today. Again, I am welcoming you for the future videos. And no more today. Again, I am welcoming you for the future videos. And ciao.